connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel. Just click subscribe. Let's try to do something similar using instant snow. It's made from something called sodium polyacrylate. That's a lot of syllables. It's a polymer which is really good at absorbing water. Now let's make some instant snow. Yes! It worked! Wow! There's a lot! Avalanche! One perfect instant snowball. Now, I just have one more question. Who am I going to throw it at? Sorry, Tabor. Couldn't resist. To make our own electromagnets, we'll need a copper wire, a nail, and a battery. Now you might need a grown-up to help you. Just wrap the copper wire around the nail. You should end up with the ends of the copper wire looking like this. Then place the battery so that the two ends meet the wire like this. And that's how you make an electromagnet. Easy, huh? Scientists make electromagnets because they can turn them off and on, unlike other magnets which are always on. Now let's see if it works on this pesky oil spill. This is some oil in water. By sprinkling some iron particles into the oil like this, the ions should be attracted to the magnet. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it works! The oil is attracted to the ion, and the ion is attracted to the magnet. And I bet there are lots of other super cool ways technovators have come up with to clean our oceans. Like what? Let's find out! Supersearch! What are other ways we can clean our ocean? This hungry trash wheel uses the power of water and sunlight to gobble up rubbish floating on rivers. Yum, yum, yum. And look at this cool device. It catches the rubbish before it even reaches the sea. And this robot can suck up oil spills using a nanowire mesh. Huh?
Hey, Sema, you like my super big electromagnet? Oh, I think I might have made it a bit too
big. Maybe a bit too big. How to make a secret code. Okay, we don't want Noah to hear or see what we're doing. It is a secret code after all. Can you hear us, Noah? Okay, great. Now let's make a cipher for Noah to solve. You're going to need... Take it, MB.
A piece of paper, scissors, tape, a pen or pencil, and something cylindrical to wrap the paper around, like a rolling pin or cardboard tube.
Using the paper and scissors, cut a long strip of paper. Then, wrap the strip around your cylindrical object. Using your pen or pencil, write out your secret message straight along the cylinder. MB?
I'm on it.
That's it! Add in other random letters to the other side of the paper. This will help hide your secret message.
Okay, secret message complete.
Great work! Now, unravel the paper and let's give it to Noah to figure out.
He's never gonna guess what I've written on here.
Whoa! That is one super secret coded message! The letters are all mixed up. Or are they? Come on, Detective Noah. You can do it. Maybe if I... Nope. What if I...
Do you think he's going to crack it?
Let's see.
Huh? Nah, that's not right. Maybe if I wrap it around the other way? I think your secret coded message is... Tabo is a big smelly pot. That's rude.
You cracked it, Noah.
Good job, Noah. Case closed. Now to crack some more cases. Detective Noah to the rescue.
Let's make music with jars of water. First, pour different levels of water into glass jars of the same size. Done. Now arrange the glasses from least to most full of water. Done. Now it's music time. Aziza?
Oh, the notes sound different.
That's right. The more water inside the jar, the higher the note. Yeah, it's all to do with pitch. Remember, the speed of the vibration affects the pitch of the sound. Yeah. You can play around with different levels of water and see how it affects the notes.
Who knew jars could make music?
We can make music out of lots of things. I wonder what else we can use. Hey guys, let's find some surprise musical instruments.
I love making music! Me too. Wait, there aren't any musical instruments in here.
Ah, yes! That's the fun part. Making music out of anything. Let's try. Aha! Here's how to make slime.
It's slime time! Yeah!
So first we make our base slime. Here's the recipe. You need 2/3 of a cup of glue, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 tablespoons of contact lens solution or borax, and finally a 1/4 cup of water. Now mix, mix, mix. You can also add food coloring, eco-friendly glitter, and toys to make it look cool.
Super cool.
Ooh, gooey. Nice! Now that we have our base slime, we can add different materials to give the slime different properties.
I wonder what happens if I add a tablespoon of some shaving cream.
The shaving cream has bubbles, which mix with the slime to make it lighter.
Yeah, my slime is more foamy now. Nice! I want to make my slime extra bouncy.
Just add some cornstarch, 2 tablespoons at a time. And I'm going to try and add a teaspoon of body lotion. Let's see. Whoa! My slime is now super stretchy.
Man, super bouncy. What's this?
Wait!
Did I hear the word slime?
No, Babu. There's no slime here.
You know, slime is banned in this house.
Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel. Just click subscribe.